Most HVAC business owners are still running their entire operation on missed calls, sticky notes, and messy spreadsheets. And here's the truth no one tells you. The companies that are scaling fastest in 2026 are not just better at HVAC work. They are better at using AI to handle scheduling, leads, dispatch, and customer follow-ups. In this video, you'll learn the 9 best AI tools for HVAC businesses in 2026, how each one fits into your daily operations, and how they can help you book more jobs, reduce no-shows, and keep your trucks busy without adding extra office staff. Let's start with the biggest problem in HVAC right now. Leads come in at random times, but response speed decides who gets paid. This is where AI tools like Servicetitan AI features come in. They instantly route leads, trigger callbacks, and prioritize high-value jobs, so you never lose a customer, just because you were on another job site. But here's the problem. Getting leads is only half the battle. Most HVAC businesses lose money in scheduling chaos. That's where House Call Pro becomes powerful. Its AI-driven scheduling helps auto-assign jobs based on technician location, skill level, and availability. So instead of you juggling calendars, the system does it for you in seconds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Follow-ups are where most money is lost. Jobber solves this with automated messaging and AI reminders. When Jake, your technician, finishes a repair, Jobber can automatically send invoices, review requests and maintenance reminders without you lifting a finger. But what about answering calls after hours? That's where Smith steps in. It acts like a 24/7 AI receptionist. It answers calls, qualifies leads, and even books appointments while you sleep. That alone can recover thousands in missed revenue every month. Next, let's talk diagnostics and reporting. Tools like OpenAI-powered assistants integrated into CRMs can help generate job summaries, estimate explanations, and even customer-friendly repair breakdowns. So instead of typing reports for 20 minutes, your techs finish them in under 2 minutes. And here's a small win that adds up fast. IEE tools, like MailChimp, AI, or ActiveCampaign automate seasonal maintenance campaigns. Imagine every customer automatically getting a reminder before summer or winter without you remembering anything. For pricing accuracy, platforms like Fieldage use AI to suggest pricing based on job history and market demand. This helps you avoid underpricing jobs, which is a silent profit killer in HVAC. Now let's not ignore customer experience. Tools like Zendesk AI or Intercom help you manage messages, complaints, and updates in one place. Customers get faster replies, and your office stress drops instantly. Finally, if you want everything tied together, Zapier AI connects all your apps. Leads, bookings, invoices, and messages all sync automatically. This is where real automation happens. So here's the big takeaway. The best HVAC businesses in 2026 are not just hiring more techs. They are stacking AI tools that handle calls, scheduling, follow-ups, and reporting in the background. If you implement even 2 or 3 of these tools, you'll notice fewer missed calls, smoother scheduling, and more book jobs without extra effort. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your biggest HVAC challenge, and subscribe for more practical business growth systems.